Post Malone's recent weight loss transformation has captivated fans, showcasing a dramatic shift in both his appearance and lifestyle. How did he successfully manage to lose 55 pounds? Let's find out. Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind channel, where we dive deep into the hottest celebrity weight loss trends and transformations. Today, we're diving into the incredible weight loss journey of musician Post Malone. From dropping 55 pounds to embracing a healthier lifestyle, Post's story is truly inspiring. Curious about how he achieved such an amazing transformation? Let's break it down. Post Malone, known for his chart-topping hits and distinctive style, recently made headlines with his impressive weight loss. How did he shed 55 pounds? It all comes down to some simple yet powerful lifestyle changes. Secret number 1: cutting out soda. Post Malone's weight loss journey began with a game-changing decision. He eliminated soda from his diet. That's right. By ditching sugary drinks, he significantly reduced his calorie intake and made a major step towards a healthier lifestyle. Secret number 2: improving his diet. Along with cutting out soda, Post focused on improving his overall diet. He swapped out processed foods and unhealthy snacks for nutritious options. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Simple yet effective changes that helped him shed the pounds. Secret number 3: embracing simple lifestyle changes. Post Malone didn't just make changes in his diet. He also incorporated small lifestyle tweaks. This included staying hydrated, getting regular sleep, and finding ways to stay active even with a busy schedule. Secret number 4: focusing on well-being. Post's journey was also about focusing on his overall well-being. By prioritizing self-care and maintaining a positive mindset, he was able to stay motivated and committed to his health goals. And finally, secret number 5: consistency and patience. Post Malone's transformation didn't happen overnight. It was the result of consistent efforts and patience. His dedication to making lasting changes was key to his success. Post Malone's weight loss journey shows that with simple lifestyle changes, dedication, and a focus on well-being, incredible results are possible. His story is a reminder that sometimes the smallest changes can lead to the biggest transformations. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to others who might benefit. Together, we can transform life. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.